Hello, beautiful people. Coach Erica here, and welcome to Hoop to the Rhythm, where I help you gain access to fun movement, feel confident, and fall in love with hoop dance fitness, no matter what size, age, or skill level. Today, we're going to go over 10 very common questions that I'm asked for anyone who wants to get started with hoop dance fitness and they want to get started right away. Let's jump in. Number 1. Do I need any dance experience or rhythm to start hoop dance fitness? And the answer is absolutely not. All you need is willingness to repeat simple patterns and practice, and you should be hooping in no time. So this requires no coordination, no dance background. Trust me, you've got this. Number 2, what size hoop should I get? So this is a very popular question. Your hoop size should be anywhere from 40 to 50 inches. This is a wide range, but it all depends on how quick you want to learn and your body size and type. So a rule of thumb is the bigger the hoop, the better. So you don't want to go to a department store and get a kid-size hoop that is light. It needs to be a little heavier and preferably a handmade hoop from a hoop shop. I can put links to hoop shops in the description of this video. So you're going to need a big old hoop to answer that question, 40 to 50 inches in diameter. Number 3, how long does it take to feel confident and coordinated? So the answer to this question, it would take about 2 to 3 weeks on average, but it all depends on how much you practice. I'd say about 5 minutes a day is enough. It's better to go into little pieces. That way you don't get frustrated and you don't want to just quit. But at least 5 minutes a day within 2 to 3 weeks, you should be very comfortable with hoop dance fitness. Number 4, will hoop dance help me lose weight and tone up? Now the answer to this is very, very likely. If you have the right diet and you have the right rest and hydration, this can be a wonderful addition to your wellness routine, because with hoop dance, you are combining cardio and strength training all in one. It's a great mobility exercise that's easy on the joints that practically any age group can do. Number 5, what if I have no endurance and very little upper body strength? Good question, but you don't need a whole lot of upper body strength. You're going to use a lot of your core and your legs to hoop, and you should not fear, because you're going to gain that endurance through your hoop sessions, whether it be 5 minutes or more per day in no time. You don't have to go past your comfort level. So you don't have to be afraid of not being that strong at first. And remember, it's very easy on the joints, so you shouldn't really feel that you're punishing your body. Number 6, how often should I practice per week? So I say at the bare minimum 2 to 3 times a week. That would be 5 minutes or so. At the very beginning, you feel more confident, you can go more, and once you feel like you're ready, I do have guided workouts that can help you along your journey. Number 7, what's the difference between regular hula hooping and hoop dance fitness? So with regular hula hooping, primarily you're just doing waist hooping, and that's fine. But to kick it up another level and to really condition your body, that hoop dance fitness combines waist hoop dance with body weight exercises to help you get stronger and not feel like you're really working. You're having a wonderful time. Number 8, do I need a lot of room to hoop at home? And the answer is absolutely not. All you need is a bedroom or a small living room space, if you live in an apartment, and you need about 2 arms lengths of clearance on each direction of use for your movement, and you should be good to go. Number 9, what if I keep dropping the hoop? So I just want to let you know that dropping the hoop is super typical for any hooper, doesn't matter the skill level. So all you do is pick the hoop up and keep going. You will figure it out. You'll have this wonderful biofeedback that hooping provides, and you'll be hooping and dropping it less and less. But just to be clear, you will drop it sometimes, and this is completely fine. So again, dropping the hoop is nothing to fear. And lastly, number 10, How do Hoop to the Rhythm workouts help you stay consistent? So the workouts at Hoop to the Rhythm are designed for real people with real schedules. So all of the workouts are pretty simple, easy to follow, with some clear and concise instruction. And when you're ready, I do have a full membership that provides access to the full library of workouts, as well as new workouts and members only content. If you liked this video and you like to learn more about Hoop Dance Fitness, please like and subscribe to this channel. And also, if you have any more beginner or any questions, please drop them in the comments. I love answering questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in a workout. And remember, you don't need external rhythm. The rhythm comes from you. Take care and God bless.